Okay, now we will try to understand that a range of, we can change a range of values in a list means, try to understand here. So whenever I have mentioned particular index, so this string value will be replaced at that particular index. At 7th index, what is the 7th? 70.8. So if this index, that string, that is a float number, in place of this float number, so our string, whatever I have mentioned here, this string will be replaced. Clearly you can see this. Okay, after that, here I have mentioned a single index, but here change a range of values in a list. So range of values means a range of indexes I have mentioned here, 3 to 5. So whatever the values you have passed here, they will be 56 will be replaced at third index, then after 5j for the fourth index. Don't misunderstand that 5j will be placed in place of fifth index. Okay, up to 3 to 4 indexes, 5 to 56 and 5g will be replaced. Okay, see, 56, that is third index, and fourth index 5j. At fourth index, what was there? True. Means Rahul and true, these are index 3 4, and 56 5j. 5g will not be placed at fifth index. Don't, if you feel that, it is your misunderstanding. Okay, so 5j 3 to 4, but not fifth index included. Okay, 3 to 4. Okay, this is the range. Fifth index will not be included. Okay, and after that, whatever the values, they will be as it is. And 4j false Vasu Suman. Okay, these two values will be replaced, 3 to 4. Okay, now let us try to understand one more condition. If I have passed Vasu range of indexes, range of index, it is a list, so index means if you place 3 to 4, 3 to 4, then what happened with values? What? Same values, 56 comma 5j. Then what happened? See, that moment what happened, 56 will be kept at third index, and at fourth index 5j will be kept. Okay, after that, whatever the values are there, they will be shifted to right side. See what happened. Okay, 56 5j, 56 5j, 56 at third index and 5j at fourth index, that is at true. After that, rest of the values, 4j false Vasu Suman. Okay, 3 to 4 index. Okay, now we will do one thing. I have passed the same values, no? So if I change the values as 66, and this is what, somewhat float number 78.8, then let us see what happened. The values I have changed here. So what is happening here? We need to check back that. Okay, here I have changed the values, but I am not requesting for the print. So print bracket Vasu after this one. Now you request for print. What happens? Try to understand here. Now, what is the difference between 3 to 5 range and 3 to 4? Here I told you that 56 will be placed at the third index and 5j will be at fourth index. Fourth index true. The true was replaced with what? 5j. True replaced 5j. After that, whatever the values shifted to right side, whatever the values as it is there. So if 3 to 4 means, so 3 to 4 means what happened? So at the third index 66 will be taken and 78.8 that will be kept 78.8. After that, see, the 5j not replaced here because 3 to 4 means 4 will not be included, fourth index will not be included. 66 will be replaced at the third index, means at the place of 56. Then after 78.8 inserted, added. After that, rest of the values as it is shifted to right side. Understand? Fourth index not included, means 78.8 0 1 2 3 4 at the fourth index 78.8 inserted, not replaced. Here it is replaced. Understand that? Whenever you have mentioned 3 to 5 means at third index 56, at fourth index 5j. Okay, fourth index is what? True. So true was replaced with 5j. After that, whatever the values given, printed. But here fourth index will not be included. At third index 66 will be replaced. Then after 78.8 inserted. After that, whatever the values, they will be shifted to right side. Okay, that is this is one type of range of positive indexes. Range of positive okay, we can use insert method to insert a particular value at the index. Okay, we can use insert method to insert a value at specific index. Okay, here see how to use a value to insert a value at a specific index. What is the syntax? You need to here name of the list, okay. Now here insert the method, use the method dot, okay. Now see, we have used the insert method. As I told you that whenever we keep the dot operator, so we will get all the methods of, because list is an object. Here this is the index. Okay, at this index I want to insert this 77. Okay, now whenever you run this at second index, where is the 77? Let us see. So now at the second index, okay, 77 inserted. So this is the new list with the inserted value. So we can